Hey everybody, and welcome to another To the Frontier Tip of the Week. I'm Joe, and today I'm going to be talking about using custom and lookalike audiences to target your Facebook ads. Now before I go any further, I should clarify that this video really isn't for beginners with Facebook ads, people who are just getting started or people who haven't even used Facebook ads before. If you are one of those people, you should probably watch this video we have in the description below. That one will really help you get started with Facebook ads. Then once you've used them for a while, come back and watch this one, because this will be more helpful for you then. Now, on to you more experienced Facebook ads users. If you're not using custom and lookalike audiences for your ads, you're missing out because they are really helpful. Custom and lookalike audiences are essential for getting your ad in front of the most relevant audience. So how does it work? Basically, you can create a custom audience on Facebook by doing these following steps. Go to your business manager and then click on the hamburger button at the top corner of the screen. It'll bring down a menu of a bunch of different options there. It'll be under Assets. You'll see Audiences. Click on Audiences and it will bring up a page where you can create custom and lookalike audiences. There'll be a blue button that says Create Audiences. Select that, it'll bring up custom and lookalike. First you need to create a custom audience, which is basically you can use data from your website that your Facebook pixel has been collecting, or you can use data from your actual Facebook page. Either way, Facebook has all that data available. All you need to do is tell them to create that audience that has done that specific thing on either your website or your page. Then it will gather all that data. We'll have all those people that have done that specific action on your page or on your website. There you have a custom audience. Now you can also create a lookalike audience, which is really what you should do, because a lookalike audience is basically just telling Facebook, okay, that audience we just created, now find people who are similar to those people that did that specific action. And that way you can broaden the people you're targeting with your ad and find even more relevant people to show your ad. So that's just a little tip we have. We hope you found it helpful. And if you need more help with your Facebook ads, be sure to give us a call. We'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.